Hey Virgo, how is everything going? I hope you're all having a great day. This is going to be a love reading for anyone who is not exclusively with someone in a committed relationship. So this is going to be for everyone else. You know to always take what resonates and then always head over and watch your rising, moon, and Venus placement readings for additional clarity. Quick reminder for those of you that are new, I'm so grateful you're here. Go ahead and subscribe. I pay it forward each and every month for the journey here, and I do giveaways each and every month. For this month, it will be 2 up to 30-minute readings, personal readings for free. So I'll randomly choose 2 people at the end of the month to tell me what they would like their readings to be about, and it will be up to 30 minutes. You just need to be a subscriber, and then you can take part in every monthly giveaway. But for this month, it's being a subscriber and leaving a zodiac emoji in the comment section of each reading that you view of mine. Maybe someone you're thinking about. It could be your sun sign, your rising, moon, Venus placement signs. But by leaving a zodiac emoji, it's allowing me to know that you are interested in taking part of the giveaway. June will be a brand new giveaway. All right, let's get into your reading. For my Virgos, express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. You may have your eye on someone. You may be flirting with someone, watching them from afar. Spirit's saying it's okay to step out of your comfort zone and make that romantic gesture. And within the next few weeks, so for some of you, it's going to be as soon as a few weeks from now. Awesome. All right. And somebody is mowing the lawn outside, so I'm sorry if you hear that, but I have the windows open. Okay. Past energy between Virgo and their person. You might have already come in contact with a soulmate that you might be at a pause with, in separation from. But I feel at some point, up until right now, you have been in contact with a soulmate. Someone that you saw a future with. They could have lived somewhere very tropical, where people would vacation, but I see an ocean, almost like a boardwalk right here. But there may be someone that you are in separation from that is a soulmate connection of yours. What is the present energy for Virgo in terms of love? Yeah, I do feel that there has been a hard ending. Very hard ending. It might have been something that, it was unexpected. But remember, with every hard ending brings in new beginnings. Also remember that we have multiple soulmates in our life. Obviously, we're not meant to end up with each and every soulmate. So you might have been in union with a soulmate where it was a very hard ending. It may be that you're meant to be with them, they could be returning, or there might be a brand new love, a brand new opportunity with someone else. I do feel a definite transformation that's been happening through you, almost growth. Learning those hard lessons through those tests of faith and being very appreciative even through hard endings for what you have in your life. What you're bringing in, you've definitely manifested, and you're doing it out of a place of gratitude in your life. That's what you want to do. All right. What does the future hold for Virgo? Yeah, see, I feel like you dealt with a karmic partner. You've dealt with karmic situations where I truly feel the soulmate connection is standing out though. You might be with a karmic partner and a soulmate comes back into your life. I feel that someone was holding back feelings here. You might have met someone that you felt was a soulmate and that they might have been in a relationship already, or you may have been. Both of you may have been. But remember, Spirit's got a plan. See this hidden path? We don't understand why these obstacles are placed in our life or why certain people come in and out of our life when we felt a deep connection with them. We don't understand it at the time. But with every detour, it's to take you exactly to who you're meant to be with and where you're meant to be. So a connection that you may have had with a soulmate may not have been a very strong connection at the time, but it was so Spirit could bring you to these blessings. There might have been a detour, but it was to get you to exactly what was meant for you. And we will see what comes out. All right, let's see. You may know that there is a soulmate connection that you've already dealt with. And Spirit's saying, express your love. Put yourself out there. Sorry, guys, for that noise. All right. Current energy for Virgo and love. All right, we got a few. Let's take them. So we have Three of Swords. I do feel that there's been heartbreak between you and a soulmate. Like I said, you could have come in contact with someone and they could have already been dating or married to someone, or maybe going through a divorce or separation. You could have met a soulmate and somehow a third party was involved. This might have stemmed through business or by working with someone. But I feel that you're ready for something abundant. Something where what you give out in terms of love and in terms of finances and gifts, it's going to be reciprocated. There is balance coming to your life in terms of love. The present energy, Spirit. Judgment. And the Ace of Swords. I feel like you're completely being honest with yourself about what you want. Now, Judgment is self-evaluation. So I feel that there is a breakthrough coming to your life. There is communication coming in that you can trust. This person's been through a time of self-evaluation, and they're coming towards you wanting long-term, wanting success out of a connection. And I truly feel it is something that you've manifested. And what does the future hold for Virgo and love? I'm going to have to shut that window because my voice is already kind of quiet. All right, we're going to take them. But give me 1 second. And look at this, 2 of Cups. But give me 1 second. All right, guys, I'm sorry I had to close that window. My dog's probably pissed, but I had to. There is a connection coming in. Something that you can trust. Something that you've manifested. For some of you, it is going to be someone coming towards you asking you for forgiveness with Judgment here. But for others of you, it's going to be you going through that time of self-evaluation and being honest with yourself about what you want for the future. It may be to let go of a soulmate that you know you had a deeper connection with. But it's only to bring you to a connection of what's truly meant for you in this lifetime. And what also came out is this person coming towards you, there could be some distance between you and them. If it's someone from returning at a time where the two of you might have been in a pause, there could have been relocating, and there might be actual distance to travel again. But I feel the connection coming towards you is Something where burdens are being put down in both your lives and moving forward to better times ahead. If you could see that off in the distance. Putting down the burdens and finally moving towards something that's going to be very harmonious and peaceful in your life. Something that's going to be good for your heart and soul. It's going to feel like a blessing. I feel instinctively you're going to know that this connection is that connection that I'm describing. But for some of you, it could also be a spiritual connection. All right, let's get more. Yeah, I'm feeling like it's now time for you to reap the rewards of your labor. Anything else for my Virgos? Spirit. Could be a Queen of Wands. We have fire energy here. Somebody who's very confident, very stylish, very attractive. Knows just what they want. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Coming in very confident. And I do feel it's going to feel like home. Now, for some of you, it is that soulmate. If it's a fire sign, it is that soulmate returning. I have fire, air. I also have water. Seven of Cups. Needing to make a decision. Now, remember, we have karmic here. So you very well could be with a karmic partner when a soulmate returns. You may be dating someone when you get the confession or an apology or please give me a second chance from another. I do feel somebody's keeping an eye on you. We have the Page of Swords here. So for some of you, it could be a younger air sign. Aries, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. But here's the Six of Swords again. I do feel someone's watching you from afar. Why is the Six of Swords here twice? Yeah, this Knight of Wands is coming in very quickly. They want to sweep you off your feet. Like I said, there might be some traveling involved, but they're coming in very confident. By you walking away, walking away from what wasn't in your best interest is leading you to this abundance. Where you feel like this person standing in front of you, giving you that offer, giving you that communication is everything all wrapped up in one. And it's because you had the strength to walk away, even from connections where you felt that deep soul connection. And it's leading you right to this. And for some of you, it's going to be that soulmate returning. But for others of you, it's a brand new connection that I do feel you're going to be connected on a soul tie with. Remember, multiple soulmates in our life. We obviously are not meant to be long-term with each and every one of them. All right, let's see. Well, I love it. But it's coming in. It's coming in quickly, too. Like I said, there could be some traveling. But it's full speed ahead. A year from now, during the spring, this is your energy, the soul searching. The being very strong, knowing what you're going towards, reclaiming that balance in your life and that stability. So for some of you, it may not be until a year out from now that this comes in. But I feel it's going to come in very grounded. It's like you're starting off with a good base with this person to grow from. And it's all because you focused on yourself. You walked away from things that were not right, that didn't seem right. That always propels you down the path that you're meant to be on. All right, anything else for my Virgos? The moon. It's going to be a very romantic connection. It's like it's going to feel like you're living out your best life with this person. Like a fantasy come true. For some of you, it might be following an ending of a long-term relationship, possible a marriage. It might come after leaving like a marriage or like a long-term commitment with someone. And I do feel traveling. Look at this at the bottom of the deck. The love of a lifetime. So Virgo, anything that ended, this destruction, anything that ended was to bring you to these blessings. It's like Spirit had a plan all along. And now this path is completely open for you to find this person. All right. For those of you that are hoping a soulmate returns, look for their initials. For those of you that want this brand new love to come into your life, look for your initials. All right, we have Z, A, I, R, S, P, W, E, U, N, M, and the rest are repeats. I have swear here. It's like they're almost going to swear their love to you. Promising their love to you, this connection coming in. All right, Virgo, let me know how it resonates. Leave that zodiac emoji down below letting me know that you're interested in the free readings this month. And for any of you that would like me to tune into Just Your Energy, the link to my Etsy shop is down below. You can head over there. There are things currently sold out, but I am catching up on readings. If you want to send me a message, if there's something that you're interested in and that it's sold out, or you could always return within a couple days and it will be refilled. So much love and light, Virgo. Have a good rest of your week.